I recently visited my home country of New Zealand after 4 years away. During my time there, I spent several weeks traveling around the country, and one of the main highlights had to be visiting the West Coast, one of the wildest places in New Zealand. Disclaimers before you watch this video: this was an off-trail hike, so it wasn't exactly safe. Although it was amazing, it involved some pretty intense moments. The second thing, just keep in mind that when you're in nature, you don't have a supermarket nearby. Let's get going.